नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम कमल यादव है। आज हम बात करेंगे आईसीडी 10 सीएम के बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन और पूरी डिटेल समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि आईसीडी होता क्या है और इसको हमें कैसे समझने हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टू द आईसीडी 10 सीएम। आईसीडी 10 सीएम prefer definition the terms phrase used ICD-10 CM that provide the instruction for the coding and sequencing. So we'll understood the interpret, format and structure, abbreviations, main term, initial and non-initial modifier, punctuations, nodes, etiology, manifestation codes, and with C codes also default codes, symptoms and conventions. So these all topics we will be understood. ICD-10 was implemented on October 1st, 2015. The ICD International Classification of Disease Code is a standard diagnostic tool for epidemiology, health management and clinical purpose. It is used for medical code lookups by physicians, nurse, research, health informations, managers, and coders. Health information technology makes ensure that the patient organized to the clarifying the disease and other health problems record on many types of the records including the death certification. ICD-10 codes are used by the medical biller payers for reimbursement purpose. This coding system provide a significant improvement over the previous ICD-10 codes through the greater detail information and ability to expand the capture addition advancement in the clinic and medicines. It's contain two part. ICD-10 CM clinical modification was developed by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention for use in all United States of America healthcare treatment setting. For physician coding and hospital coding, ICD-10 PCS procedure coding system was developed by the CMS for use in the US for inpatient hospital setting only. So ICD-10 is used for the like outpatient and inpatient both, but PCS code is only used for the inpatient. Hope this will be understood. Okay. So those Center for Medicare and Medicaid Service, that is called CMS, and National Center for Health Statistics NCHS, two department with the US federal government's development of the health and human service DHHS provide the guidelines. These guidelines have been approved by the four categories that make up cooperating parties for the ICD-10 CM. American Hospital Association AHA, American Health Information Management Association AHIMA, CMS and NCHS. So this is a logo you will be see in this video. 1 Section 1 is a consider conventional conventions, general coding guidelines and chapter specific guidelines. A. Convention for the ICD-10 CM. B. General coding guidelines. C. Chapter specific coding guidelines. Section 2nd. Selection of principal diagnosis. Section 2 is there. Reporting additional diagnosis. Section 4th. Diagnostic coding and reporting guidelines or outpatient service. Appendix 1. Present on the admission reporting guideline. The International Statistical Classification of Disease and Related Health Problem ICD-10 revision ICD-10 published by the World Health Organization WHO is the foundation of ICD-10-CM. Structure of the ICD-10-CM book and how its organization will talk about that. Volume 1 and Volume 2. Volume 1 is a tabular list, is an alphabetic list of the codes divided into the chapter based on the body system or conditions. Tabular list include the diagnostic code in a numerical order and their official description in 22 chapters. Volume 2 in the index is a alphabetic list of the terms and their corresponding code. Alphabetic index include the four section. First is the index to the disease and injuries, table of neoplasm, table of drug and chemicals, alphabetic index to the internal cause of injury. ICD-10-CM is divided into the 22 chapters. The first character of the ICD-10 code is letter and each letter is associated with the particular chapter. Exception of the letter is a D, which is used in the both chapter second neoplasm and third chapter disease of the blood and blood forming organs and certain disorder involving the immune system immune mechanisms, and letter H, which is used in a both chapter 7 disease of the eye and adnexa and chapter 8 disease of the ear and mastoidal process. 22 chapters alphabetic alphanumeric. First character is always a letter. Always a letter. First character always a letter. Additional of up to 7 characters. Seventh character code extension in the some cases injury, initial encounter, subsequent encounter, sequela. These all are like part of that. So you will be understood what is these all things. So sequela, obstetric and glycoma, these all are part of that. So you will be able to see here. Chapter 1 is saying certain infection and parasitic disease. Chapter 2 is saying that code is started C00 to D49 neoplasma. Chapter 3 is called disease of blood and blood forming organisms and certain disorder involving the immune or mechanism. Chapter 4 is started from E series E00 to E89 in endocrines, nutritional and metabolic disease. Chapter 5 is a mental and started from F series F01 to F99 mental, behavioral and neoplasm neurodevelopment disorder. Chapter 8 is 7 is 6 is G series G00 to G99 disease of nervous system. Chapter 7 is H00 to H59 disease of eye and adnexa. Chapter 8 is H60 to H95 disease of ear and mastoidal process. Chapter 9 is a disease of the circulatory system. Chapter 10 is J00 to J99 disease of respiratory system. Chapter 11 is a disease of the digestive system. Chapter 12 is a disease of the skin and subcutaneous tissues. Chapter 13 is a disease of the musculoskeletal system and connective tissues. Chapter 14 is a disease of the genital urinary system. Chapter 15 O00 to O9A pregnancy, childbirth and puerperiums. Chapter 16 is started from P series, certain condition originating in the perinatal period. Chapter 17 is congenital malfunctions, deformities and chromosomal abnormalities. Chapter 18 is symptoms and signs and abnormal clinical or laboratory findings and not elsewhere classified. These all are considered into there. Chapter 19 is injury, poisoning and certain other consequence of the external cause. Chapter 20 is external cause of morbidity. Chapter 20 factors influence health status and contact with health services. Chapter 22 is COVID related conditions. So these are all chapters we are including into the ICD guidelines, ICD chapter. So you will be understood like that. So we'll start from the preference. Table of the context, right? You will be see here table of the context. What is those? So you can understood here. Preface, introduction, ICD-10 CM conventions, conventions. ICD-10 CM official guideline for the coding and reporting. ICD-10 CM index to the disease and injury. ICD-10 CM neoplasma table. ICD table of the drug and chemicals. ICD-10 CM index to the external cause. ICD-10 CM tabular list of disease and injury. So this is all things you will be understood. Chapter 1 is a certain infection and parasitic disease, as we discussed. Chapter 2 all those things. So let's move to the next slide. ICD-10 CM conventions include the following: alphabetic index, tabular list, format and structure, and the ICD-10 placeholder, instruction notes, abbreviations, cross preference notes, punctuation marks, relations, terms, and with, without, due to. These all points we'll discuss. The alphabetic index include the entries for the main terms, subterms, and more specific subterms, and intent format in the use of the is of references. Main terms identify disease, condition, or injury. These are printed in the blood bold types and being with a capital letter. Example is given: fracture. Subterms indicate site. The subterm is used for the indicate the site, type, etiology for the condition or injury. They are intent with a one standard intent in indentions to the right upper the main terms. Example is a stress fracture, like this. Stress is here. More specific subterms are indented further to the right as needed, and are always indented on standard informations from the previous subterms. Example is given: stress fracture of the humerus. So here more specific subterm is used. Hyphen dash, hyphen or dash is sometimes found at the end of index entry codes and they indicate that additional characters are required. Okay, carryover lines. Carryover line are used when the complete entry cannot fill on a single line. They are indented further to the wider confusion with a sub terms entries. Example here given like that: angioplasma, coma is there, post melissus. These all terms are used generally. Examples you will see here: metrology N92.1 main term. In below you will see climatic N92.4 subterms is here. Menopausal N92.4 is subterms here. Postpartum NEC, atonic flowing deliveries of the placenta O72.1, that is the carryover line. So what we want to explain: delayed or secondary 0 0 O72.2 is a more specific subterm. Preclimatic or premenopausal N92.4 subterms, or psychogenic F45.8 is a subterm. So you can understood what is the main term, subterms, carryover lines, more specific subterms or subterms. So these all are examples. Sections, group of the characters categorize. Example: infection of the skin and subcutaneous tissues started from the L00 to L08. Character is 3 characters. Code is L03. Categories are here: 4 categories. Characters. Code is L02.2. Subclassification 5, 6, 7 characters. Code is L02.211. Examples: for example is here K29 Here gastritis and duodenitis category. This is a category like that. K29.0 acute gastritis subcategories. K29.00 acute gastritis without bleeding code. That is the exact code. So this way we are checking the ICD complete code. R10 abdominal and pelvic pain category. R10.8 other abdominal pain, that is subcategory. R10.81 that is abdominal tenderness subcategory. R10.811 right upper quadrant abdominal tenderness, that is a code. So we, in this way we are checking the complete code. Excuse me. A code is invalid if it has not been coded to the full number of the characters required. This does not mean that ICD-10 code must have a 7 character. The 7 character is only used in a certain chapter to provide about the data characteristic of the encounters. Character 1 to 3 category, character 4 to 6 etiology, anatomical side, severity or other clinical details. Character 7 is an extension. You will see here XXX, that is called 3 category 1 to 3, that part is called category. Next 3 1 XXX is called etiology, anatomical site or severity, or X last digit of the ICD is called extension. So if 7 character of the ICD there, so first 1 to 3 is a category, second 3 is called etiology, anatomical site, severity, other clinical details, and fourth is extension. I hope you understood how ICD is arranged. ICD-10 CM code structure S36 example is given, that is considered as a category injury of spleen. 0 to 1 is a etiology, anatomical site, severity, major contusion of spleen. A is here showing the extension initial encounter. So I hope you understood this point. Next point, instructional notes can be found to being of the each chapter codes categories and even below complete code used to provide additional information about the codes in the tabular list. Example stating P series codes condition originated in the perinatal period. Code P00 refer to the two instruction nodes, code first and exclude 2. P002 refer to the two instructional note, informational notes, and exclude one notes, like that. So these all notes we need to check and be careful, be careful that sometimes diagnosis code will be only 3 digits and will not require any additional categories. Example J40 bronchitis unspecified, I10 hypertension unspecified, O80 normal pregnancy. These are a 3-digit code only. Some diagnosis codes will require additional characters. Example J18.9 pneumonia unspecified, I50.9 CHF, J80.10 like pulmonary fibrosis unspecified, O98.711 HIV complicating pregnancy first trimester, H40.2290 chronic angles closure glaucoma unspecified, unspecified. Important notes: if you code the J18 or I50, it will be considered as a error and system may not accept these incomplete code. Okay, so we need to check and code the complete code. A dummy placeholder X is used with the certain codes to allow for the further future extension and or to fill the empty character when the code contains the fewer than 7 characters applies. When a placeholder characters applies, it must be used in the order for the codes to be considered valid. X can be used once or twice or thrice based on the requirement. X can be never be in the last or 7 characters. The number of combination codes increase the specialties and X placeholder is illustrated. Example S34.21X injury of the nerve roots of the lumbar spine initial. Code to the highest level of specificity, like specificity not elsewhere classified, NEC, may be interpreted as other specified codes with the abbreviation assigned when there are more specific documentation available in the reports, but no code existed for the more appropriate level of specificity, right? For example, in a document provider given that more specific diagnosis, but when we are try to find in the middle like ICD-10 codes book, that time more specific code is not available. That time we are code other specified, not otherwise specified, NOS. NOS another way to stating unspecified. It is another way to say that unspecified codes with the abbreviation are assigned when more specific codes may exist but documents lack specificity. More specific document is not clearly mentioned that which part, which problem, but codes are available. That times we are using NOS. Example, not elsewhere classifiables may be interpreted to the mean that no code exists to report the appropriate level of specificity not otherwise specified may be interpreted as unspecified. Hope this point you understood. Main term identify the disease or condition of the site for injury. Main term are listed in the bold type. Start with the place uppercase letter. Example for the main term heading: complications, late effect, sequela, new ICD-10, fractures, pneumonia. These all are used. Non-initial modifier. Words that follow main terms are always in the parenthesis. Provide the additional information for the main term. The presence of absence of the these modifier has no effect on the selection of the codes. Example, pneumonia in parenthesis acute, double, migratory, purulent, septic, undissolved. This kind of examples is there. Initial modifier, subterms that modify the main term, that is called initial modifier, are listed below main terms in alphabetic order, exception of with or without. Intended two additional space of the right regular types and they start with the lowercase letter. Example here, pneumonia with influenza, C influenza with pneumonia, lungs abscess. These all are examples. Punctuations, brackets, parenthesis and colon. Big brackets enclose the synonyms, alternative terminology and explanatory phrases in the tabular list. Also to indicate the manifestation code in alphabetic index. Example, abnormal, abnormalities. Electrocardiogram, ECG, EKG are 94.31. So in large bracket you will see the ECG or EKG. Dementia with Parkinson. In a small in a middle brackets you would see parentheses are used in the both alphabetic and tabulars to the enclose the supplementary words called non-initial modifiers, which may be present in description of a code without affecting code to which it will be coded or assigned. The terms within the parentheses are referred as clone are used in the tabular list after the incomplete terms which need one or more of the modifier following the colons and to make it assignables to give the category. Chapter 2 Neoplasma. You will see here 10 malignant neoplasma of the larynx. Use additional code to identify. Here you will be see the clone. Alcohol abuse, use and dependence, F10, exposure to the environment, exposure. These all are you will be able to see the clone. Includes. These notes appear immediately under the 3-digit and title at the beginning of the chapter or selection. Further definitions or clarity content of the category. Example: chronic sinusitis include is there sinus abscess, sinus empyema, sinus infection or sinus suppression. These all are considered includes. Use additional code to identify exposure. These are given there additional information. Exclude note. ICD-10 CM has the two type of the exclude notes. Each types of the notes has a different definition for use, but they are all similar in that they indicate that codes from the each other independence of each others. Exclude one, very famous in our interviews. A type 1 exclude is a pure exclude note. It means that not coded here. An exclude one note indicate that the code exclude should never be used at the sometimes as the code above exclude one note. Exclude one note is used when the two conditions cannot occur together, such as the congenital versus the acquired from the same condition. If the exclude one notes has a condition that is not related to the code, then both can be coded together. Example: COPD or emphysema, bipolar disorder and major depression. These are exception. Exclude 2. A type 2 exclude note represent not include here. An exclude 2 notes indicate that the conditions excluded is not part of the condition represented by the code, but the patient may have both condition at the same time. When exclude 2 notes appear under a codes, it acceptable to use both code and exclude code together when appropriate. Example of the different exclude notes. Bipolar disorder includes is here manic depressive illness, manic depressive psychosis, manic depressive reaction. Exclude one: bipolar disorder single manic episode, major depressive disorder single episode, major depressive disorder recurrent, or these are not codable with bipolar disorder. Exclude 2: cyclothymia, that will be coded. So what the mean here given? So let's see here. What is the meaning that instead of the saying word bipolar disorder, you might see the manic depressive illness, manic depressive psychosis, or manic depressive reaction. If you do, then those conditions are includes under the F31. If the patient has a bipolar disorder single panic episode and major depressive disorder single episode, manic disorder or major depressive disorder recurrent, then you need to use that code instead of the this code. It also mean that you can't use F30, F32, F33 additionally with a F31. If the patient has also the cyclomia in addition the bipolar disorder, then you should also code it. It is not included already in the F31s that I explained above. Exclude one. Exclude one is given here. Okay. Exclude one example you will see here, and exclude one notes mean that not coded here, and exclude one note instructed that the codes exclude should never be used in at the same times at the above exclude notes instructions used in the condition. So our remaining these all we are talking into next video. Thank you for my watching this video.